Sleeping with the enemy. Russian troops try to pick up Ukrainian women on Tinder. I read this story. This is like such a modern kind of development in a war zone that goes to show you how the war zone is different today in 2022 than the way that it's showcased in like historic movies and things like that. I'm not even just talking about dramatic movies, documentaries and so on. Yeah, Russian soldiers, guys, they're people that are like 20-year-olds with smartphones. Ukrainian soldiers are the same. They're like you. You watching this, they're like you. They just find themselves in this circumstance now. And they have Tinder. Russian soldiers poised to invade Ukraine have bombarded women on the other side of the border with Tinder messages. Dasha Sinelnikova's app lit up with matches from soldiers named Andrei, Alexander, Gregory, Mikhail, and Black. 20 miles away, the report said. I actually live in Kyiv, but changed my location settings to Kharkiv after my friend told me there were Russian troops all over Tinder. Many would-be paramours reportedly flirted with treachery as they gave away their military positions while forces assembled north of Kharkiv prepared for what appeared to be imminent attack. A muscular guy posed up trying to look sexy in bed, posing with his pistol. Another in Russian combat gear, and others just showed off in tight, stripy vests. So they thought that there would be willing Ukrainian women that just were so happy to have them.
Yeah, it's pretty disconnected.
I didn't find any of them attractive and would never consider sleeping with the enemy. I automatically swiped left to reject them, but there were so many I got curious and got into a message exchange. It was funny but scary at the same time. Now, what I heard, I mean, you can imagine what could be happening here is then these Ukrainian women could be sharing these details or setting up these guys.
Yeah.
Or it could work in reverse where these guys are running their own espionage while they think they can extract information about the enemy, the Ukrainian enemy, through Ukrainian girls.
Right.
Counter. So there's a lot of, you think about the information warfare, you think about communication warfare.
And how social media is playing such a big part in it.
Such a big part. And dating apps now, apparently, which with geo-based components in them.
Exactly.
Like, let's meet up somewhere.
Yeah.
Then it's a trap.
Absolutely, it could be a trap. Or like I was saying, just try to extract the information, coordinates.
Sure.
Where can I meet you? That could be enough, right? To expose. Like I was looking at this convoy that's coming in with it's been stated it's 40 miles long or whatever. And it's all satellite imagery, which is available to the public. The public can track these military operations. And the public is sitting there examining these photos and attempting to determine which of these vehicles are the fuel vehicles, which ones are towing weaponry,
right?
Which ones are people carriers, and which ones are tanks. This is the public and how spread out the convoy is in order to make it less susceptible to attack from the air. It's wild. Like, this is modern warfare. Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
I know. I said modern warfare and I didn't mean it like that, but it is actual legitimate modern warfare.